Air fryer chicken wings. Today I'm going to show you how to cook frozen chicken wings in your air fryer. Hello, my name is Samantha, and along with my husband Dominic, who is behind the camera and also my best friend when it comes to the air fryer, we are going to show you today all about air fryer frozen food. We started using the air fryer way back in 2011, and in our first ever experience of using the air fryer, we actually cooked frozen chicken strips. Since then, our air fryer knowledge has moved on, but back in 2018, we were asked by one of our readers to try air fryer frozen French fries. We did this, and then we started a brand new trend and showing people that you can cook delicious frozen food in the air fryer. But quite often, frozen food has this kind of taboo attitude towards it. But even though frozen processed foods isn't great for you, it can still save you a lot more calories compared to serving food in the deep fat fryer. So I'm looking forward to sharing with you our frozen food recipes. Well, what can I say about chicken wings in the air fryer apart from the fact that they're amazing when cooked from frozen, and there's so many different varieties you can use. Today we're showing you southern fried frozen chicken wings, but you could do barbecue, you could do teriyaki, you could do boneless. There's just an endless supply of ideas. You can also use frozen chicken wings free of sauce or marinade, and then you can toss them in your favourite seasoning or marinade once they're cooked. So just decide how you prefer to eat your chicken wings. Today I'm just about more showing you the cook time and the temperature so you can adapt it to whichever chicken wings you have got in your freezer right now. So let's start by getting them open and taking a look at them. So these are just like when you buy food from KFC in the lovely breading, but it's just the wings version. But they won't be as hot wings. So you want to be delicate with them because you don't want all the breading to come out, because there'll be a lot of breading in the bag and it makes a lot of mess. It's my biggest pet hate when it comes to cooking frozen food in the air fryer. So let's see how many of it. You could put more than this in, but when it's breaded food, the problem is it sticks together a lot more. Whereas if you were just cooking chicken wings with nothing on it, you could probably put a lot more in than what I'm doing today. Let's see if I can fit one more in, shall I? So there. They're not too overcrowded there. That's the perfect amount to do for chicken wings. And you can choose at this point whether you want to spray them, because if they're breaded, you get a better crisp on them if you spray them, or you can cook them halfway through, then give them a spray, and it will help improve the crisp. So let's give them a quick spray. Just use an old spray bottle, fill it with extra virgin olive oil, and it's ideal for a lot of different air fry cooking. There's certain breaded food in the air fryer that just will not crisp up unless you do this, such as when you're cooking homemade air fryer onion rings or a blooming onion. These are all products where you need to do this with first. Normally, I would recommend going in with a preheat, but our air fryer has been going on all day, so we've done a lot more than a 3-minute preheat. So instead I'm going to show you how long to cook them if you're not doing a preheat. So first of all, take the temperature down to 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And then you want a cook time of 12 minutes. This is they will probably take 15 minutes at least. But at least after 12 minutes, you can check on them, see how they're doing, and see how much longer they need and if they need turning. So in they go, and then click start. And it's beeped, so shall we check and see how well our chicken wings are doing? Wow, you can really smell those. They smell absolutely delicious, and I can't wait to try them. So just give the air fryer a quick shake, and that'll get rid of any excess. If you have a look at them there, you can see how well they're coming along. And I'm just giving them a quick turn. They've had a quick shake. And then I'm going to put them on for 5 more minutes at a higher temperature because it'll just help crisp them up. So let's put them back on. So temperature up to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. Time going down to just 5 minutes. This will mean that altogether they've done a 12-minute cook at a medium heat and a 5-minute cook at a high heat. You'll notice in a lot of the recipes that we have over at recipethis.com, we recommend dual temperatures so that food can be cooked in the oven and then it can be crisped up. We notice there's a lack of this in air fryer cooking, which when you think of the air fryer, it often replaces stuff that you would cook in the oven. And let's say you were cooking a roast chicken in the oven, you would start it at a different temperature to the one you finish it at. And it's very much the same when it comes to air fryer cooking. And there's the beep. Let's check out our chicken wings. There you have it. The smell is fantastic. You can see the crispiness on the fried bits, if you look. And it smells like KFC too, so not bad. So now let's load them into your dish and they're ready for serving. And then it's a case of choosing what's your favourite dipping sauce, what you're going to have with it. And then they're ready for tucking into. In this video today, we have been using our Philips Air Fryer XL. Please comment below with which air fryer you use, as it would be nice to compare notes, and ask in the comments any questions you may have about this recipe that I'm sharing with you today. Because you are here, the chances are you want to learn even more about the air fryer and become more familiar with its capabilities. We recommend that you head over to recipethis.com and search mini course, and you will find a fantastic 5-day free mini course teaching you everything you need to know to get started with the air fryer. I'll also add it in the links in the description to make it even easier for you. And it's been a pleasure to share with you one of our favourite air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching. We have a huge collection of kitchen gadget recipes including air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker and many others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Best of all, join our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. There we have plenty of printables, cooking time cheat sheets, free ebooks and mini courses to help you along your way in your kitchen gadgets journey.